Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. As a thank you for being here, we have a special gift for you to enjoy, so stick around until the end. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this accessible yoga practice together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and on your exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation, cross your right leg over your left. Reach your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Gently pressing your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. Reach your right hand to your left leg, gently pressing, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, sweep your arms towards the earth, gently folding forward from your hip creases. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged and your legs active with your knees over your ankles, pressing your thighs open, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing and upright, moving into a diagonal stretch, place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Begin to alternate, drawing opposite shoulder to knee, flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a seated twist variation with your hands to your thighs. Begin to gently rotate from right to left, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, and sign up to get your free chair yoga starter guide plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.